Welcome to the nandView demo, a robust, easy-to-use network and systems monitoring application. This video gives an overview of how you use nandView on a day-to-day basis. nandView is a database-driven, web-based application that runs on most web browsers. This is the main dashboard. It shows the status of monitored devices, as well as IP addresses, polling history, notes, and a few other pieces of information. We put in several example tests for demonstration purposes. As you can see, the prior 10 polling history will let you see if a device is going up and down pretty frequently, and each one of those dots represents one polling cycle. We usually recommend 10 minutes between polling cycles, but you could do as often as you want or as infrequent as you want. You can also view just the critical tests if you're only interested in what's currently down. Adding new devices is a relatively simple process. The new additions take effect immediately, and there's no need to restart web browsers, web servers, restart sessions, load processes, reload configuration files, or any of that stuff. These new additions go immediately into the database, and the next time the poller runs, it automatically identifies the new tests and starts polling them. These values can also be changed at any time. And there's the new test right there that we have created. If you want, you could also add individual tests for more than just ping cycles. Aside from the standard TCP and UDP connection tests, which just see if a port's open, nandView also supports protocol verification. This example will have us monitoring a web service and emailing the web administrators if it goes down. Protocol verification goes far beyond just seeing if you can open a connection to a specific port. It actually requests a web page and checks the returned output. For example, in the web test, it'd be the equivalent of going to the web browser, or the web server, connecting up, issuing a GET request, and then it looks at the output. Now for a web page, if it sees an HTTP return code of 200, that means the page returned successfully. In this example it does, and this test would pass. nandView supports role-based access controls. This lets you create different classes of users, such as view-only accounts or administrators. We're going to modify the account that we're currently logged in with to not allow this user to create or edit tests. Modifying the access controls is a simple procedure of just choosing basically on or off, yes or no. And as soon as you make the changes, they take effect immediately. The user does not have to log out and log back in for these changes to take effect. As you can see, now we just reload the page, the add and edit test buttons are gone. There's no edit column on the side, so the effect is instantaneous. Multiple email notification lists can be created. Messages can be sent to email accounts, cell phones, distribution lists, and so forth. These lists can also be updated at any time, and all associated tests will be automatically updated to use the new address list. nandView also supports on-call time restrictions. If you don't need notifications 24/7, use this feature to limit when messages will be sent out. If you're worried about remembering all these features, the context-sensitive online help system is there for you. It knows what page you are on and displays the help topic relevant to that location. nandView comes with several built-in reports, drawing log data from the database. One of these reports will show you the last login time. So for our user accounts, you can see who is logging into nandView and if anyone's not logging in at all. Another one of these reports is the email notification report. This will show you all the emails that were sent out over a time period, so you can see if a particular user did or did not receive a message. You can also create your own reports, as you have full access to the database and source code. You are free to modify these as you wish, make any changes you want, even redistribute the changes. We hope this brief video has piqued your interest in nandView, a free, open, cross-platform, and easy-to-use network and systems monitoring application. You can see the full feature list and download the software at nandView.com. Thank you for watching.